Here is my Olympian fig tree, and I propagated from very small twig actually, and it took very long time before it reached this. This is probably more than 1 feet tall. It took a while. That's the reason you need to propagate from thicker branches. This one, if you see my finger, I probably propagated from this kind of twig. It was 4 millimeters, which is not really a good thickness. And this is less than even pencil size. Very small tree. So I'm gonna repot it to a bigger pot. This is almost less than 1 gallon. This is for sure 2 gallon. And I'm gonna use a little bit fertilizers. I will use fertilizer because I want this tree grow much faster, and it's gonna be a little bit easier for tree. This is pellets, doesn't burn any roots. And let's see what kind of roots we have here. And you see, I think it can be ready for repotting. So you get an idea. This is a quite small plant, and it's already reused all this soil, almost. And I'm repotting because it's already made. It's gonna be very hot, and sometimes we forgot to water, and plant is suffering. But when they have a bigger pot, it's gonna be much easier for plants, for soil to hold water. And I wanna bury a little bit because this is kind of roots exposed here. So even if it's such a small plant, it looks really odd because your plant is much smaller than pot. But it's gonna benefit from it anyways, because eventually your plant will need to go to bigger pot. Why not to do it now, before plant will have to use that soil? Because during winter, like fall time, I wouldn't pot them because you're gonna have a lot of moisture around roots and they won't use all this water. So right now, very good time to potting in anything, and it will survive. It will benefit for sure. Anyways, this plant is not gonna bear any fruits anytime soon. And that's interesting. If you notice, leaves are a little bit different for Olympian fig. I'm not sure actually. I hope this is Olympian fig. I didn't. Sometimes I'm very bad with labeling because the same leaves actually has another variety, Violet de Barto, kind of the same. Let me show it to you. Here, same type of leaves, but this is Violet de Bordeaux. So leave me a comment below. Do you like these short videos, or you wanna have long form videos with more information? What kind of question do you have? Do you grow figs, or you just wanna grow figs? Because figs can be grown almost in any zone in United States, and it's easy to grow. You don't need to protect from freeze. If you're in south states like me, I don't have to protect it from freeze. It's gonna be damaged, of course, but eventually it will come back. Okay, thanks for watching and see you soon.